From where did you get this that he did not complete 12 years?
Yes, my lord. 11 years, 6 months only on the post of cinema operator.
Hmm?
And the requirement is 12 years after granting time bound promotion.
Annexure D.
Annexure D is
Where has you considered his case?
case 23, my lord. चलचित्र चालक.
My lord, for the petitioner in this case, 16 and sorry, my lord. And for the petitioner in this case, my lord. But this present case is for grant of ACP.
Why have you come after 2003 in 2013?
Lords, in between my son has died, met with an accident. After that,
Can you mention all this?
Yes, my lord. I have mentioned in my petition, my lord.
What is their counter? What do they say about the granting of this increment to ACP?
They are saying,
Counter affidavit has been filed, my lord. Annexure D is the relevant, my lord, by which promotion committee has denied for the same, my lord. Page
That he did not complete 12 years of service till his retirement.
Lords.
How can that be when he was appointed in 73 and he continued till 2003?
In the meantime, my lord, first time bound promotion has been granted to the petitioner. my lord.
You have said no in your page 11. Come to your page 11. Para 11.
Paragraph 6, page 6, paragraph number 12, my lord, of the read petition. Paragraph 12 of the read petition,
Para 11.
para 11.
The Departmental Promotional Screening Committee. From where did you get this that he did not complete 12 years?
Yes, my lord, 11 years, 6 months only on the post of cinema operator. And the requirement is 12 years after granting time bound promotion.
Annexure D.
Annexure D is
Where has you considered his case?
case 23, my lord. चलचित्र चालक क्रम संख्या 2 श्री केशवर तिवारी अनुमान्य नहीं.
नाइनटीन 96 में हुए.
जी, तिवारी को 8/6/96 में चतुर्थ वर्ष से चलचित्र चालक समूह ग में प्रोन्नति तथा दिनांक 30/11/2003 को सेवानिवृत्ति के समय निर्धारित कालावधि 12 वर्ष पूरा नहीं होने के कारण विचारणीय नहीं.
96 से नहीं है. 96 से पहले की तो होगी.
यस मिलो.
83 से लेकर 96 तक कितने ईयर हो गए?
In the meantime, Lord, it has been come in the counter affidavit. The first time promotion has been granted to the petitioner.
When was it granted? Was it granted within 12 years of his service? What is the principle of granting of ACP? If he has not been granted promotion for 12 years, he will be granted first ACP. If he has not been granted promotion for 24 years, he will be granted second ACP. Now, from 83, if you count till 96, how much period?
73 was appointed.
73.
73 appointment, Lord, but
73, 96 तो वैसे ही
service confirmed
30 years हो गए.
Service confirmed in year 77, Lord. And after 10 years.
Confirmation will relate back. क्या करते हो? A confirmation is not that it will confirm from that day. It is not regularization. There is a difference between confirmation and regularization. It will come from 73. ये आपके ऑफिसर्स करते क्या है?
I will file further supplementation.
My lord,
Complete on application.
he is very old, my lord. After 10
Naturally,
years,
we
this
will not
matter has
delay.
been taken up.
देखिए, the petitioner admittedly was appointed in year 1970 on 73 की कब की है?
4/10/1973.
4/10/1973. The as a class 4 employee, he has claimed benefit of the first ACP as well as second ACP. After he has retired in the year 2003. Learned comes for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has given explanations for approaching this court belatedly on the ground that he had suffered
His son has died, my lord, and long treatment.
mental shock and agony on account of death of his
Only son.
young son after retirement, who was ailing for long. The writ petition has been filed therefore in 2013. After he came to know that his case for first ACP has been rejected. The respondents were put to notice who have filed their counter, and it is stated that the petitioner, it is admitted that the petitioner was appointed in 1973 and was granted the upper pay scale on
2487.
completion of 10 years of service. With effect from 10/10/83. He is a class 4 employee. However, the departmental screening committee rejected his case for granting first ACP on the ground that the writ petitioner did not complete the minimum 12 years of service till his retirement. A document has been placed on record along with the counter as Annexure D, placing the minutes of the departmental screening committee. Para. A look at the said departmental screening committee minutes reflects that the petitioner's case was not considered eligible for grant of first ACP on the ground that he had been promoted as a cinema
operator
on 30th November 2000, on 8/6/1996,
92.
and therefore
Lords, I may correct one thing, Lord. By me, wrongly they have written 96. On 92 only they have promoted, my Lord. 30/5/92 को ही promotion हो गया. 96 they have Annexure D. They have
have you
wrongly.
placed any document to show that?
Yes, my Lord. I have annexed as Annexure 3, my Lord.
8/6/96, and therefore he did not complete 12 years as on 30th November 2003 when he retired. Learned counsel for the petitioner has pointed out that the petitioner was promoted
Page 18, my Lord. Annexure 3.
as cinema operator on 30th May 1992. A document in this regard has been placed on record as Annexure
3.
3. He thus completes 12 years even on the post of cinema operator. Para. The provisions of grant of first ACP and second ACP are to be examined are essentially for the purpose of granting benefit to an employee who stagnates on a particular post for 12 years or more and 24 years or more. Thus, if the case of the petitioner is examined, it is noticed that he was granted first promotion in a class 4 post only on 10/10/1983.
73 was appointed.
10/10/1983 and was promoted as cinema operator on
35/1992.
30th of May 1992. He would therefore not be eligible for grant of first ACP on class 4 post. But the calculation conducted by the screening committee treating him to have been promoted as cinema operator on 8/6/96 is found to be bad in law. He would have to be treated to have been promoted from the day promotion orders were passed. That is
38th May.
May 1992 within bracket annexure 3 and counting 12 years from there to comma, it is noticed that before he retired he had already completed 12 years as cinema operator. He would therefore be entitled to first ACP and a higher pay scale to the pay scale of cinema operator which was existing at that time, equivalent to 1200-1800.
Ji.
Accordingly, this writ petition is allowed. The respondents are directed to calculate the petitioner's pay and allowances by granting him first ACP on completion of 12 years from 30th May 1992 and accordingly also revise his pension and other emoluments, other post-retirement emoluments and release the arrears of salary, pension and post-retirement emoluments to him along with interest at the rate of 9% per annum from the date they were due. The said exercise shall be completed within period of 3 months
4
from
months.
henceforth.
4 months maybe.
He's a very old man. You want him to get his benefits 3 महीने से पहले में ही करो. 3 months. The writ petition is accordingly allowed. No cost.